Hi there, I'm Mikael Åsberg from Mås Instrument Makery here in Sweden. Today I'm going to show you the work with this. This is a replacement neck for Stratocaster with True Temperament fretting system on. We have also Telecasters in the way. And what I do, my part of the work, I got these pre-shaped necks from another manufacturer with a flat radius fretboard on. A radius 12-inch route for the frets. I glue them in. I do the logo typing. I put some lacquer on, and when it's cured, I polish them up and make them shine for you. So stay tuned here, and we're going to see my part of the work on this Renzi CNC machine. Very welcome. The first thing we must do here, we must set where the 0 point is for the CNC. And we have a 0 point here in the front side of the nut. The next thing we must do is set the 0 point for the x-axis and the y-axis. And I line it up here first, and then I drive it down here so I can adjust this jig. To set it very accurately, I use a little flashlight so I can see the lines and the sharp tool I have in my CNC machine. Alright, look good here on the starting point, and then we jog it over for the other side, where I have make a little mark. We must loosen the jig and tap it over so it is exactly where I want it. And there we go. And when I'm very happy with it, I lock the positions in the computer for X and Y axis. Here I'm going to measure the thickness of the neck with the first fret and decide how much of the flat radius fretboard I'm going to take down. All right. Take away a little piece of it. Like before, I use a little flashlight so I can see under how much is left, and then jog the machine down. It's very handy. There is a touchdown, so I can set the zeta height there. All right, I have set all axes right, and now I'm in the start position. So, all right, let's put on the CNC music. Rock and roll, CNC rock and roll. It's very good to do a last little check so I can see I have the right program in the machine. It's very disappointing when I do wrong. Okay, rock and roll is on. I take a little coffee. Alright, here we have now a rough cut 12-inch radius, and it's 0.2 millimeters above the finish radius. Because now we're going to route for the face dots, and when the dots is glue in, you route for the frets. And when the frets is done, you do the finish cut, the 12-inch radius, and cut off the dots. Be very nice when we have a sharp. Have the little flashlight again, and we're going to tap it down a little bit at a time. There we have a touchdown. Right. And there we zero this one again and send the machine to home. Alright, now we need to route for the dots. Okay. Alright, now it's time for glue in the face dots in the maple fretboard. Align them up. Put in super glue. And put them down. This will be very nice. And now it's time for next operation. We have unloaded the machine and we load the for frets and nut. And we check it out with the simulation. And the machine will calculate. And I can see that we have the right operation load in the machine. It's looking good. It'll take about 35 minutes to do this. The machine is homed and we route. Alright, now the machine is set up for the final radius operation when we cut off the face dots, and yes, we have a sharp bit installed in the spindle, and we do a very fine operation with 1 millimeter step over in the x-axis. Alright, let's do it, folks. Alright, that was the routing operation of this neck. I get rid of this later. Alright, it's good. Next episode we're going to show drilling for the side dots and glue in the frets. Okay, welcome.